Good afternoon, everybody. It's good to see you guys.
Loading.
Oh, you're right. Hey, Jen, turn off your phone. Thank you.
It's on now.
Okay. Sorry.
It'll back when you went upstairs.
It's okay.
Dad, you're 20 seconds late.
Uh-oh. We're in trouble.
27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32.
We don't need that the whole time. Good afternoon. We're waiting for everybody
Now it's
to
1:59.
join us. We got it. We're good. I may have to hold it. We'll show you about it. It's heavy. At the end. That's good. All right, right back. You're hiding it. Right back. Don't spill. And then we're getting ready to start.
Two.
Man, you're like the time police, aren't you?
Hey guys, my name's Meteor Martin.
Your name's not Meteor Martin. What is your name? You don't have a name yet, right?
I'm Shaylee.
No. Which one are you?
I'm Shaylee. No, I'm Shaylee. I'm white.
This one is Reagan, and this is Shaylee. Okay, that's not.
Oh, don't forget to comment names for us.
For what, though?
For science names.
For your science names, right? If you were with us yesterday, we talked about how the girls have earned their science names. So we are looking for ideas of what we can name them. And again, it needs to start with the letters that begin with their names. So Shaylee and Reagan. And send us.
So S-N-R.
Yes, S and R. That's right. So don't forget to send us your ideas, post them on Facebook, and on Friday the girls will pick their favorite and we will give them their science names. Again, as always, my name is
Meteor Martin.
That's right. Thank you. Hopefully by now at home you guys know my name as well. Welcome. Thank you. Today's lesson plan is going to be called Smarty Plants. And to begin with, the materials and supplies that you will need today will be some spinach leaves. If you do not have spinach at home, if you go outside and grab a leaf from a tree or a flower bush, something like that, you may use that as well. A coffee filter. And the only ones I had were the triangle ones, but that will work. If you have a regular coffee filter, that will be great. You could also have some popsicle sticks. If you don't have a popsicle stick,
There's also like these like big there's like these ones that we use for slime.
oh, the toothpicks. Yes, a toothpick might work. You just got to be very careful with it
No,
that you don't tear this.
they're like
She's talking about a bigger popsicle.
Oh, a bigger popsicle stick. Okay. So popsicle sticks if you have it. A marker of some sort. I have a brown and a black water soluble marker. Piece of wax paper, and I have one for each helper today. And some paper towels that we will be needing. And I also have a couple paper plates just to make sure we don't make a mess on the tablecloth. And as you are gathering your materials for today, we are going to talk about our typical thing. Remember, I told you yesterday that by the time you go back to school, my friends at home should know what a scientist is. My girls here are getting to be pros at it, right? Are you guys pros? You all tell me everything you remember about what a scientist does and is. Start from the beginning. Yes. You can do it. All right, Shay, you first.
A scientist wants to learn more about the world and how things work and why and like just that stuff.
Okay, and when they also ask a lot of questions.
Yeah, which are hypotheses.
And they form a hypothesis, which is that you remember what a hypothesis is. You've been asking every day. No, still yet. By Friday, you need to know.
Wait,
What?
what does it start with?
Educated.
An educated guess.
Good. There you go. An educated guess. Your best educated guess is what you think is going to happen during your tests. And these tests are
Experiment.
good job, experiments. And when you're doing experiments, you have to hold on.
Observe.
I love it when you say it. Observe. And how do you observe something?
You look, you hear, you smell, you use your hands and you taste.
Good job. And those are all 5 of your
5 cents.
5 senses. And then you have to do what after you observe everything?
I have to
Touch it.
We already did that.
It's like write a conclusion.
Okay, well, first of all, you record all of your information. You have to study and analyze it, and then at the end, you form your final conclusion, which is what you found to be the answer to the question that you asked at the beginning of the whole thing, right? So, while you guys are gathering your materials and getting ready, we are going to do a fun little pre-warm-up activity today, and this one is called the Backstab. Look, they've been excited. They thought that they were guessing that's what we were going to do. And so for this, I have a big gallon freezer bag that is filled with water. We have got some skewers that we happen to have at our house that we use when we're making kebabs and
You
some
can
other
also
things.
use like a pencil.
Yes, a sharp pencil will work. A small sharp stick would work.
A toothpick again would work.
No, not a toothpick won't work, and I'll show you why in a minute. And we're not going to do too many. And then I have a big pan to catch the water just in case. Now, I'm also not going to explain to you why this works. One of the things I want you to do today is when we are done, I want my friends at their house to go and research, just like a real scientist, and find out the reason why this works when we do it. Okay, don't want to tell you what's going to happen. Okay, well, hold on. Do it first. TikTok. Oh, that's another thing, guys. I'm sure you're familiar. My kids are obsessed with TikTok.
Not your kids. I'm not.
You're right. It's the older one right now. So I want you to watch and observe, and then research and see why. And then later on today, comment on our Facebook page. Let us know why you think it works the way it does, and then we will let you know if you are correct or not afterwards. Okay. So here's what I want you to do. Hold on, we're gonna do one at a time so we don't have a real big minute. No, it's not dart and then or a bow and arrow. Okay, so you can take your sticks one at a time. You're gonna put it through this side of the bag and push all the way through to the other side in the water. Well, hold on. I'm gonna hold it. One of you wants to go first.
Me.
Okay, wherever you want, in through the water.
Is it gonna squirt?
Yeah, it might. Cover your face. All the way through. All right, now stop. Good. All right, Ray, pick one out. Put it wherever you want, but make sure it's in the water. Hope you guys at home can see this. Good. I will.
Oh, obviously how much we can fit.
No, we're not going to keep going. Try one more. Can you guys see this? Can you guys at home, what's happening?
You can go through it
The
and
water
water
isn't
will
coming out.
The water is not coming out. One more, way
Can I do
below.
one more?
Yeah. Well, no, it may not work that way. Go through all the way through the water. As long as you're going through the water, that's great. Okay, good. Now, here's what I'm going to do. We're going to put it over her head.
Oh, no.
One,
Wait.
2,
What are you
3. No, I'm just kidding. I'm joking. So the water is what? Yeah. Is the water coming out?
No.
No, then if you do take it out, then it will start pouring out.
No.
No, not right now because we're not ready for that. Good job. That was called the Backstab. You can easily do that at home.
Can I do one?
I'm going to move this out to the side. You later. All right. Sorry, I'm back. Just wanted to put that out of the way, make sure we didn't have any accidents. All right, can I have that real fast? I know these are actually really, really sharp. Okay, so today we are talking about plants. What do you know about plants? What can you tell me about plants? Yes.
When water goes on it, they grow.
Well, it needs water to grow. What else?
It needs also sunlight to grow.
Sunlight, that's a good one.
Soil.
Soil, oh, that's good too.
Oh.
Yeah, you know.
Shade.
Does sometimes need shade. Some shade because especially some vegetables, they can get so hot that you can have sunspots and stuff on, especially tomatoes. Anything else? Is a plant alive?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. Does it breathe?
No. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, you say it breathes. Do you know what it breathes? Does it breathe?
Carbon dioxide.
Oh, high five. Good
I
job.
didn't know that word.
It's okay, that's a big word. Did you guys hear, Shaylee? A plant breathes carbon dioxide. Okay, everybody at home say carbon dioxide. That is carbon dioxide. Good job. Dioxide. So, and that is what we breathe out. So when you go breathe out like this, you guys want to do it with me? That is carbon dioxide. So a plant or a tree or a bush or a flower takes in the carbon dioxide and it releases oxygen so that we can breathe it. Now, what color are just about every single plant out there? You don't have to raise your hand. We're at home. This in school. Green. Okay, now.
And yellow.
Well, if it's
Red.
And brown if it dies.
okay, if you're right. So, but not right now. We're talking about a living plant right at the moment. But yes, most vegetables, you be careful so you don't fall. Vegetables, plants will die at the end of the growing season, and they do change colors, especially leaves, in the fall before they fall down. Okay, so today we're going to do an experiment that is going to show you the green stuff in a plant, and that is called chlorophyll. Can you guys say chlorophyll? Chlorophyll. That is a chemical that is in each and every plant that causes it to be green. And this chlorophyll is in a tiny organelle called a chloroplast. And this is where the sugars and the starch are produced that are the food source for the plant. So a plant takes in, you said sunlight, right? It takes in carbon dioxide, and it needs what else to grow? Not the soil, but the other thing you said? Water. No. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Remember, not oxygen. Carbon dioxide, it takes those three in, and it goes through a process called photosynthesis. Everybody say photosynthesis. Good job. And this process is taking those three things, water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight, and taking it into the chlorophyll, using the chlorophyll to change all of that into sugars and starches for the plant to use to eat and to grow. Okay, so our experiment today is we are going to take a look using our spinach leaves in order to extract, which means get out, the chlorophyll, the green stuff. So first of all, I am going to use our plastic plate. You guys do not have to use one of those at home. And we are going to put paper towel on the bottom. Here's one for you. Here's one for you. And then you can take your coffee filter. No. On top. Put your thing on top. Oh, sorry. If I did, I apologize. I don't remember, but that is okay. Put that on top. I'm sorry. Okay, then you're going to take your coffee filter and put it on top of your paper towel. I have an extra one, just in case. Just put it on top of the paper towel. Okay, and now we're going to pull out a spinach leaf. Here, you want to pick your own? Since we're at home, normally when I'm teaching in classrooms, I hand them out, but you guys are more than welcome to pick. Ooh, that's a good one. Ooh, that's a good one too. All right, nice. Okay, so you guys, put it on top of your coffee filter. Here, let's turn that around so it'll be a little bit easier. Okay, now what you're going to do is we're going to take your pen, and it doesn't matter your marker, black, purple, whatever. We're going to use black because sometimes it works better. And kind of trace your spinach leaf. You can either wait and use the black.
Choose another one.
Yes, you can choose another one. No, you cannot have another one. She just ate the spinach leaf. All right, good.
Yeah.
Didn't like the spinach leaf. Yeah, it's not.
Ew.
Yeah, thanks. Well, that's doing stuff at home, right, guys? Doing things live. Do you want to use this one or wait for the black one? Wait for black. Okay. We're just tracing it. So you guys can trace at home just like we are. And you don't have to trace it. You can just freehand, a leaf and then put it on top. No, give her the. It's okay. Leave that there. And then you trace yours. Yeah, that's fine. Just trace it. However you want. Hope everybody's having fun today. Hopefully you've enjoyed all of our experiments. Let us know if you need help. Don't have to be perfect. You're good. You're going to finish it off. Perfect. All right, that's good. All right, put your leaf back on top. Good job. It's good. Okay, now we are going to take the wax paper and put it on top of the leaf. All right, now the wax paper is to help protect you so it doesn't get all dirty. So we kind of have it sandwiched in between. Then you're going to take your popsicle stick.
Oh, then we're going to rub it. We're going to trace it on here.
Yes, good job. You're going to rub it. And you kind of actually have to rub it a little hard. Now, not so hard that you rip the...
I ripped it.
It's okay. Don't use your finger now. You can move it. Yeah, you don't want to rip the wax paper. You don't want to rub it so hard that you rip the wax paper. If you do, all you need to do is move the wax paper to another part so that you can keep doing it. And you rub it kind of like you're doing a tracing or you're rubbing a leaf, and you are going to slowly see something start to happen.
It's kind of like you have a piece of paper, then you use a crayon, then you scribble on one side, then it comes on the other side.
Yes, it's kind of like that. So see what happens. And sometimes it works better. Look, Reagan's actually doing it. Rub it like this, honey. Look, like that.
It's
There you
changing
go.
color.
Yeah, now don't do it too hard, and then if you need to, if it's starting to get too thin, go ahead and move the wax paper. Oops, it's sticking to the wax paper. You did it good and hard. Oops, sorry. All right, do it again. Oop. Rub it.
Can I do it without the last two?
Nah, it won't work as well. Yeah, it starts here. What we can do, and then if it starts getting here, I'll show you what you can do. And then if it starts getting kind of yucky, you can put a different spinach leaf or leaf down, and that way it will keep going. Okay. Oop, here's your wax
Mine
paper.
keeps on sticking.
Okay, well here, just use another one. Yours is doing really well though. Here, give it. Good. Dip it on top and rub.
Why do we trace it there?
And just so it shows up in the little picture. Kind of like we're doing
How will it
rubbing.
show up? We're doing 2 minutes.
Hey guys, everybody at home, don't forget to join us every day, Monday through Friday at 2 p.m. We do a different experiment each day. We have some really good ones coming up. Yeah, that's
It's
probably good
sticking
enough.
again.
It's okay, that's good enough.
Tomorrow is a super cool one.
Yes, oh, speaking of tomorrow, while
We're
we're on
making
it,
something in a pizza box.
we're gonna make a pizza oven tomorrow. And while, if you were
We're
receiving,
making s'mores.
hold on, while we are, if you were receiving our emails each day, please try to make sure you have the materials ready because tomorrow's is a kind of long experiment. It's going to take a while. It's going to be very, very, very hands-on. So please make sure you have everything ready. Girls, how about you hold up no, not this. Hold up your picture. Hold up the coffee filter. Oop, can you see
Can I
it?
do more?
Yes, honey, you can do more afterwards. I'm glad you like it. And it's all, what color is that? That's on there.
Green.
And what do you think that is? The chlorophyll. This is the actual chlorophyll that is in the leaf and in the plant that helps and helps photosynthesis take place, which creates the food for the plant. Very good job. So if anybody has questions, please let us know. Thank you, Reagan and Shaylee. Don't forget to send us your ideas for names, science names for my girls. We will introduce it. Yeah, you can go check. She likes to check the screen to see if anybody has sent any names yet. Thank you guys so much for being with us. Stay tuned every single day at 2 o'clock.
What does that say? What does that say?
Don't touch it with your finger. That's a
What
touch
does
screen.
that say?
It says, Supersonic Shaylee and Radical Reagan.
Ooh, Supersonic Shaylee's a pretty good one too. I like that one. Oh, Supersonic. That's a pretty good one.
Okay.
Like Sonic the Hedgehog, right? Supersonic. I like
Someone said rainforest dragon.
that. Ooh, that one's not too bad.
And Sunshine Shaylee. And then, yeah, that's it.
Oh, right. Hold on. You can't just type like that. Wait. Hold on. See, guys, this is real world at home with your kids. We
But
appreciate
it's
it.
boring.
What? Being home all day is boring? Yes, I know. It
And
can't
we
be.
don't even have any homework.
I know. You guys
It
have
makes
tried
me
out and
bored.
don't have any schoolwork to do right now.
For the last
That's
2
why you're
weeks.
doing this, to help me every day. It gives you something to do, right?
Stop.
Just like they are at home. We will see everybody tomorrow. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.
Don't forget to do names.
Megan, you're funny.
Someone said a rainforest.
Okay, Reagan. So